We're going to construct the medians of triangle ABC. In order to do that, we need to start off by using a ruler to measure the sides of the triangle. We're going to use the centimeter side of the ruler to get as accurate of an answer as possible. I'm going to start off by measuring side BC. Side BC appears to be 4.4 centimeters. We need to divide that in half to get the midpoint. So 4.4 divided by 2 is 2.2. I'm going to put a dot at 2.2, and that's the midpoint. To show that it's the midpoint, we need to put congruent tick marks on each segment around it. To create the median now, we want to connect the midpoint to the opposite vertex A. Our first median is done, so now I'm going to turn my paper and measure a different side of the triangle, side AB. Side AB is 6.2 centimeters. So again, I will divide that in 2, which is 3.1, and put a dot for my midpoint at 3.1 centimeters. To show that this is the midpoint of this segment and not that it's not congruent to the other segment, I'm going to use double tick marks. Now to create this median, I'm going to connect the midpoint to the opposite vertex C. I'm going to turn my paper again and measure side AC now. Side AC is 7.7 centimeters. Divided by 2, that's 3.85. So I'm going to put a dot in between 3.8 and 3.9. To show that this is a midpoint, I'm going to use triple tick marks on the segments around the midpoint. I'll now create the median by connecting this midpoint to the opposite vertex B. Now that all 3 medians are created, you should be able to see that all 3 of them intersect inside the triangle. The point where they intersect is called the centroid.